Understanding Workshop Duration, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of workshop duration. This phrase is commonly used in educational and professional settings, and understanding it can help you manage your time and expectations effectively. So, let's get started. Workshop duration refers to the total length of time that a workshop or a training session lasts. It includes everything from the moment the workshop begins to the moment it ends. This can vary greatly, from a couple of hours to several days. Understanding the duration is crucial as it helps you plan your schedule, manage your energy, and set realistic expectations for what you will learn or accomplish during this time. Knowing the duration of a workshop offers multiple benefits. Time management. It allows you to allocate your time wisely, ensuring you're available for the entire session without other commitments interrupting. Preparation. Understanding the length helps you prepare mentally and physically, especially for longer sessions. You might need to bring snacks, water, or even accommodation arrangements for multi-day events. Expectation setting. The duration often gives clues about the depth and detail of the content. Shorter workshops might provide an overview, while longer durations could imply more hands-on activities or in-depth exploration of topics. Workshop duration is usually provided in the workshop's announcement or registration information. Here's how you can find it. Official communication. Check emails, flyers, or websites where the workshop is announced. Ask the organizers. If the duration is not clearly stated, don't hesitate to contact the organizers directly. It's important information for your planning. Here are some tips to help you manage a workshop's duration effectively. Clear your schedule. Ensure you're free for the entire time, considering any additional time for networking or Q&A sessions. Physical comfort. For longer workshops, ensure you are comfortable. Dress appropriately and know about the meal or coffee breaks in advance. Engagement. Stay engaged. Longer durations can lead to fatigue, so participate actively to make the most of the learning opportunity. Understanding and managing the workshop duration is key to a successful learning experience. It helps you plan effectively, set the right expectations, and stay comfortable and engaged throughout the event. We hope this video helps you in your future learning endeavors. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.